Does your Audi have the automatic garage door opener option, or better known as Audi Homelink, and you would like to delete the program settings, but you are not sure how to do so? No problem. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to delete the program garage door in your Audi. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Go to the Audi MLI menu and click on Car. Go to Settings and Service. Click on Garage Door Opener. Click on the pencil in the right upper corner. If you click on the checkbox on the right, you can delete the saved settings of the installed garage door. If you click on the pencil on the right, you can change some settings or delete the saved garage door. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.